Okay. So earlier we discussed in the earlier slide that employee engagement needs to be more of a strategic approach rather than just an activity. So we have to analyze how the company's productivity will be benefited by arranging that kind of an activity for the employee. Okay. So how will you decide on the employee engagement activity? So you'll have to keep few things in mind while developing this process of employee engagement. Okay. Number one is you have to prioritize the company culture. So you'll have to first check on what is the company's culture. Okay, what does it? See, different companies have different work culture, right? So some companies maybe they have a hierarchical kind of a culture where where the employees are expected to call their bosses like sir, ma'am, and all that, right? So they like maintaining the hierarchy, correct? And some companies they have a very flat kind of a hierarchy structure where everybody calls each other by names, and an open door policy is there in such companies where you don't have to really take an appointment to go to your boss or senior. So that's an open door policy. Whenever there is an issue, you can just knock the door and get in and discuss about the issue. Okay. So these kind of cultures are different. So different companies have different culture. They are more traditional. Some companies, especially in Siliguri now, also we see they are more traditional, where they have cabins and people are not allowed to get into cabins. Meetings, during meetings, people are not involved, right? The meetings are done only by the senior management, and what is happening that is not discussed with the employees, right? So, but in other places like Bangalore and metropolitan cities, it has all changed. Okay, that's more flat hierarchical kind of a work culture. So we have to see before devising any employee engagement activity, we have to see what kind of culture the company has. Okay, so depending on that only, we will have to decide on the activities. Then we will have to inspire employees through mission, vision, and values. So the company's mission, vision, values. I want you guys, okay, just write this down. I want you guys, other than the assignment that I'm going to give you, I want you to find out the mission, vision, and values of any company. I want you to take a multinational company because they have very clearly defined mission, vision, and values. So you can Google any company if you want to check for Google only. That also is fine with me. Any company that you want to go for, okay? Just see their mission, vision, and values that should be available. And I want you to understand the difference. Tomorrow's class, I will ask you like what is the difference, and what do you understand by that. Okay, so you can take any company, just check on their mission, their vision, and values. These are three different things. Okay, and for most of the companies, no, all these things will be put in large boards in the reception area. That is for all the employees to see what is the company's mission, vision, and the values. Future Group as a company, Future Group, Big Bazaar and all that. Big Bazaar, earlier Pantaloons was also there, and Central and Brand Factory, it all comes under Big Bazaar. So they have 12 values, okay? And each and every employee is supposed to know all the values by heart. So during performance appraisal sessions, no, each employee is asked, okay, tell me the values of the company. Okay, so it is that important for the companies to for the employees to understand the value of the company. So if you understand the value, only then you will be able to align your work, align your understanding of your job better with the company. Okay, so like Big Bazaar, first and foremost is Indianness. So have you seen Big Bazaar being started in a foreign country? Have you heard of that? Or Brand Factory or Central? Have you heard? No, it is only in India. because they want to cater to the Indian market. Okay, they are not interested in serving the Kishore Biyani is the owner of the company. So he's not interested in serving the entire world. He's just interested in serving the Indian people. Okay, and he makes things available at a very reasonable cost for the Indian people. So that is why the first and foremost value is Indianness. Okay, now me as an employee, if I understand this value, then I will always try to build an employee engagement activity which is around these values, right? Like Indianness, going with the flow, and integrity, and all that. So if I know all these values, then I will build my employee engagement activity according to that. So are you getting what I'm trying to explain? Yes? No? Fine. Develop and equip your managers as coaches. So you will have to ensure that the managers of employees are also involved in the employee engagement activity. Build great communication habits. Okay, so you need to communicate among the teams about why this employee engagement activity is done.
Your video is stuck.
My video is stuck.
It's fine with me.
Fine with you. I think that's
Now
the problem at your end.
maybe. Now it's okay.
Okay. Okay, so create a robust feedback culture. Okay, this all we've discussed earlier. Share employee feedback and always follow up. So you need to give feedbacks to employees and follow up on that. Paint a clear picture of success at organization, team, and employee levels. So what is success? Okay, when will you be successful? So you have to clearly communicate that. Paint a clear picture means give a clarity. Okay, when you will be defined as a successful contributor in the company. Okay, and recognize employees for their contributions. Provide access to employee development opportunities. So in many companies, you will see online training modules are available. Okay, some also sponsor like 60% if somebody wants to pursue their career or pursue their higher studies. Suppose an employee is just a graduate and wants to enter into the management field and wants to pursue MBA like Dell, HP, all these companies, they sponsor 60% of the fees of the course for the employee. Okay, so we will have to contribute towards employees' development opportunities. You have to provide access. You'll have to give them all these details. See, we are there for you to help you grow in your career. Okay, then prioritize flexibility and employee well-being. So most of the companies have now moved on to flexible work timings, okay, work from home. So we are just hearing about work from home recently because of the COVID situation, right? But other companies in Bangalore, they were already in the work from home module. Suppose today that my nanny who takes care of my child is absent due to some reason and I'm unable to attend work. So I choose to work from home. Okay, so that kind of an opportunity is given by a few of the companies like Lenovo and IBM and all that. Okay, and invest in technology that helps you do all of the above. That means if companies are ready to invest in technologies which helps in engaging employees, then obviously your employee engagement activity can be more successful. Okay, understood, ladies? Young ladies? My ma'am used to call us in school, no? When we were in class 9, we had a class teacher, Miss Mary. So she used to call us young ladies because she was a Keralite. Okay.
What does young ladies mean?
Young lady. She wanted to say young.
Oh,
So she used to pronounce it as ing. Ing ladies. Their pronunciation is typical, no? Keralites, Malayalis. They have a lot of MTI. What is MTI?
they put it while they
Guess. What is MTI?
like we our
Didn't-
community instead of sugar they say sugar. So likewise they put tea whenever they
Yeah. So when we talk about Kursyong in Nepali, we say korsong. Korsong gago. Right. But when we have to say it in English, we say Kursyong. But these guys, MTI is mother tongue influence. So when we are even talking in English, the pronunciation still sounds like they are talking their own language.
yeah.
Understood? So that is mother tongue influence. Fine. So this was about employee engagement. Now I will give you an assignment. Okay. I want you to, okay, so you'll have to do a case study. Okay, you'll have to do a case study. You can take, again, you can take any company. Okay, like for example, you can take these cafes, no, Starbucks. Have you heard of Starbucks? Nirmala, can you hear me? Your network has a problem.
Yes, they.
Okay, I can make it out by your expression. Okay, so companies like CCD, Coffee Cafe Day, Starbucks, and McDonald's, you can take any of these companies, okay? Okay, so you'll have to do a case study. Write it down, case study. Okay, you'll have to do a case study taking an example of any company. Okay, take a multinational company, take a well-known company only, because most of our Indian companies, they don't believe in employee engagement. Okay, so you'll have to do a case study taking any multinational company to check on, and you'll have to check the impact, okay, the impact of employee engagement on employee performance. Done. Impact of employee engagement on employee performance. And you will also have to list down what initiatives, okay, what initiatives they took, or what employee engagement activities or process they did in order to engage the employees or increase the performance.
Engage the employee to.
Read it out. Tell me what you've written.
What initiative they took in order to engage the employee to.
Perform better.
I did not hear the question only.
Why are you not telling me that?
I did not know you said and you mentioned about the question.
Okay, tell me till where you've written. What have you
I
written?
wrote-
Tell me.
Check impact of employee engagement on employee performance.
Taking an example
That's
of a MNC, of any MNC.
I've written multinational company.
Yeah. And you will have to write down what initiatives
What initiative?
his company has taken. Nirmala, read it
company
out
has
what I told you. Read it out to her. What I told you.
What initiative they took in order to engage the employee to perform better?
You got that?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So any questions you have for me? No. Bhavna, your session is over with Genicom.
Yes.